Metal Additive Manufacturing Technology, Direct Metal Laser Sintering, DMLS, melts metal powder with a laser resulting in instant solidification of the powder. This layer-by-layer process is repeated hundreds or thousands of times until the entire part is manufactured. DMLS is a cutting-edge technology mainly used for rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing. Benefits of DMLS: can produce metal parts directly, can produce complicated designs with greater consistency, reduces lead time, reduce raw material wastage, requires less energy, can easily print from alloys with different melting points. Parts that can be made using DMLS are undercuts, draft engines, cavities, tooling, jigs, rotors, fixtures, and impellers. Overcome the design constraints of traditional manufacturing tools with direct metal laser sintering by Innovi 3D. Metal additive manufacturing solutions offered by Innovi 3D are: prototyping parts components, research and development parts, conformal cooling designed insets for aluminum casting tools dies. Contact us for a quick quote today.